Jamaica,
You want me to do the
watch
scariest
this.
thing we ever go through in our life? No problem. Yes, it is. Scariest thing. When I tell you that, if you're there with a man who don't respect you when you're pregnant, craziness. And you see them you come on your belly in the space of one night? Huh. You see the face just get spotty. Mine might clear. I glow the entire pregnancy. But a girl was sick. You see, if you not people in your corner when you're sick, when I tell you, the doctor tell me, say, me live on my last, I'm like, dead. I don't know why I respect pregnant woman. My love. When I tell you, say, it feel like your vagina dropping out. When I tell you, say, it feel like, say, your waist are going to turn pan you, like your body are going to turn, the front of your body are going to turn to the back. Let's not talk about the first trimester. Let's not talk about the sleep and make you feel like you're going to faint. We don't really got the blood pressure part. I don't know why I respect woman when they're pregnant. Our people don't want to respect pregnant woman for not old. I'm not even put at people. The man them don't want to respect woman when they're pregnant. Come on, get a grip. Because when I tell you it's not easy, making someone inside of you is not easy. You see, first and third trimester, the devil. The first, demon, devil, Satan. You see the third? The second never so bad. When I tell you say you have a healthy woman and that woman live in a hospital the whole 9 months, you see if you can relate, you comment on my video. I'm not have to say nothing more, man. Respect uno baby mother. Respect them. Even if you don't love them, just respect them. That's all I ask. I have nothing more to say. This is the hardest thing I ever do in my life. I mean, I think I ever do it again. You crazy? Must be mad.